Have you ever wondered, what would happen if the Earth suddenly stopped revolving around the sun? Would we all fly into space? Would there still be day and night? And what would happen to the seasons? Today, we're diving deep into one of the craziest what-if scenarios in science. What happens if Earth stops orbiting the sun? Right now, Earth is racing through space at around 107,000 kilometers per hour. That's about 30 kilometers every second. This orbit keeps us in a perfect balance between the sun's gravity pulling us inward and our momentum pushing us outward. If this motion stops suddenly, that balance breaks. And that's where things get wild. Imagine you're in a car moving at full speed and it suddenly stops. You'd be thrown forward. The same thing happens to everything on Earth. But on a cosmic scale, if Earth stopped revolving instantly, everything not nailed to the planet would keep moving at orbital speed, 107,000 km/h. That means oceans would rush eastward, massive winds would tear through continents, and the planet would experience global destruction. Cities would be flattened, mountains could crumble, the atmosphere itself might strip away in parts. But after the chaos, what then? Without its orbital motion, Earth would no longer have the speed to fall around the sun. Instead, gravity would start pulling us straight toward it. At first, it might not seem too bad, but after a few weeks, the sun would grow larger and hotter in our sky. Within a few months, the temperature would skyrocket, oceans would start to boil, the atmosphere would burn away, and all life would be wiped out long before Earth actually reaches the sun. By the time Earth finally hits the sun, about 65 days later, it would be a molten rock. But what if Earth stopped revolving instead of halting instantly? The sun's gravity would still pull us inward, but slower. We'd start spiraling toward it, and as we moved closer, the sun would look bigger and brighter. Our climate would go haywire. Extreme heat near the equator, massive droughts, melting ice caps. Eventually, all life would perish, just a bit more slowly. Remember, Earth rotates on its axis every 24 hours, giving us day and night. That's separate from its revolution around the sun, which takes 365 days. So if only our orbit stops, days and nights continue as usual. At first, but as Earth falls toward the sun, the days would grow shorter, hotter, and deadlier until there's no night at all, just fire and light. Could humans survive something like this? Realistically, no. But hypothetically, if we had enough warning, we might try building underground cities, or escaping to Mars or another star system. Still, this scenario reminds us of one thing. Our planet's orbit is perfectly balanced. It's what keeps us alive, not too close, not too far, in the sun's Goldilocks zone. So the next time you look up at the sun, remember, the only reason we're not freezing or burning is because our planet is moving just right. Life on Earth depends on that delicate dance through space.